Look, found on TV.
I'm far from what I used to be, nowhere near where I wanna be. Can never be a wannabe, them losses had to humble me. Floating like a butterfly, but stinging like a bumblebee. Catch the beat, no fumbling, this real rap ain't no mumbling. Smooth operator, paper chaser, money maker. If it ain't about the paper, see you later, alligator. Keep my cool like refrigerator, plugged in like generators. Got my niggas serving time, you would've thought they was some waiters. Zero tolerance for a hater, bad vibes make me greater. Shock the words just like a taser, stay to myself, don't need no neighbors. I'm on point just like a laser, she get inches when I slay her. She get inches when I slay her. Would you rather have $1 million likes or have $1 million? Don't care about no fame, that shit gon' bring $1 million problems. Go to school and be a doctor, it's enough killers and robbers. Raise my daughters up to be more than an Instagram model. Be a leader, never follow. Know my son gon' be a problem, go be better than your father. I do it big, you do it large. If I go hard, then you go harder. You ain't gotta be no barber. Whatever you choose to do, I'm right behind you like a sponsor, y'all. Man, I remember this shit was just like a dream. Now it's starting to feel real. Yeah. Man, we done came a long way. Feel like I've been doing this music shit for a long time. Just telling my story one hit at a time. Salute to everybody rocking with this shit. Y'all keep me motivated every trip. I couldn't make it without y'all, and that for sure. It's hot. Hey. I swear I'm far from what I used to be. Nowhere where I wanna be. Could never be a wannabe. Those losses had to humble me. Floating like a butterfly, but stinging like a bumblebee. Catch the beat, no fumbling. This real rap ain't no mumbling. Smooth operator, paper chaser, money maker. If it ain't about the paper, see you later, alligator. Keep my cool like refrigerators, plugged in like generators. Got my niggas serving time, you would've thought they was some waiters. I spit nothing but some real shit. Real niggas gon' feel it. Just ate this beat like real quick. Go off, don't need no kill switch. No props, we up in real sticks. Jump at and we send real blitz. Snapping like a real pit. On fire, they know I'm real lit. I know I been coulda went viral, but I ain't tripping. They underrated me like Scottie Pippen. They hating cause I'm different. Follow me, that's why I'm lippin', yeah.
Yeah. So snap, it be no cap.
Yeah.
Tired of people ask me, little boy, why you don't make some show no more shit? You got some hot shit coming. Follow me on Olympic. Follow me on
It's go.